Hello, friends and followers. Well, I'm still battling the Collins 32S-1 transmitter here. I've taken off the cage. I didn't realize it had like a little U in there that would allow it to come off easily. I would have taken it off sooner, but I've been kind of tied up working and stuff. So anyway, that came off. I've been in here looking for trouble. Looks like somebody moved a capacitor in here. There's like a variable capacitor and someone took it out. So that's been kind of a mess. Yeah, this wire down here, there was one of these capacitors down here and it's gone. So not sure what's up with that, but they simply left it out. I'm wondering, does that make sense at all? If it's a capacitor, it would simply just go to ground. I don't think it would continue on like this. Anyway, yeah, someone's been in here effing with this thing, of course. And then the relay. So I took the relay apart, and you can take these relays apart just by popping the spring off the back. And then looks like someone's been filing away these contacts. I cleaned them up a little bit, but they were pretty darn clean. They don't look like they're in great shape. But anyway, this is the one that matters here for the transmit. So I kind of went down in there and inspected the bottom of that transmit there, and it probably has contact. I cleaned it a bit, but it looks still kind of janky. I learned a new word, janky. I read that on Reddit. What do you think of the word janky? Kind of a bad word. Anyway, so yeah, in this relay, these little pads weren't lining up, so I got some pliers and I've been bending this support structure so the relay had to move back a little bit because it wasn't lining up right. So yeah, you want these things to line up right and just work correctly. You'd never find this relay anywhere, I don't think. It's probably, as they say, unobtainium. But anyway, yeah, so here I set it back in, and you just want to make sure the contacts are all, the circles are lined up. They're not like skewed. It was skewed, so I got that straightened out. Anyway, I'm not so sure I found any problems in this thing, but looking for shorts, just kind of opened it up to see what's going on. I did verify that this is on contact 13 and 14 when it's in the right spot. So this thing's working right. This isn't all fouled up as far as the alignment of the band switch concerning the main band switch on the front isn't wrong. So that's delightful. And I mean, I thought, why wouldn't this thing work? If this capacitor was open, it wouldn't work. It couldn't get any RF through into here, but I do get plate indication in this thing. It just seems like it's not getting RF out to the antenna, only a tiny bit. So I thought this really is the connection that goes out to the antenna. So maybe we'll give it a try again and see what'll happen. And yeah, I was looking for shorts and stuff in this thing. Well, we'll see what happens. Maybe it'll fire up. So that's what I've been up to here. Looking for obvious problems in the 32S-1. It's a little disturbing that the capacitors were missing from it, but there's an amateur radio fest in Denton, Texas on Thursday or on Friday and Saturday, so I may go to that and look for maybe I could pick up a junker, one of these, and use it for parts or something. I don't know. I'm not going to pay a fortune for one of these again on eBay. There's no way. And I'm not going to pay a fortune for a 72S3 receiver on eBay. There's no way that's going to happen either. I'm done paying fortunes for ham stuff. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.